Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today we are going to solve question number 59 to 61 of the chapter admission of a new partner. 61 of the admission of a new partner. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st April 2019, they admitted Z as a partner for 1/5 share in the profits. On that date, there was a balance of 1,50,000 in journalism and a debit balance of 20,000 in the profit and loss account of the firm. Past necessary generalities regarding adjustment of reserves and accumulated profit or loss. As you know, all the reserves and profits which are in the balance sheet will be distributed between the old partners in the old ratio. So let us start. Journal entries. Date, particular, lesser from debit rupees, credit rupees. First entry, journalism account debit. Two, X capital account. Two, Y's capital account. $1,50,000. We are going to distribute increase to 5, 3 are 15, 3 are 9, 90,000, 60,000. B. Journalism distributed. Second, X capital account debit. Y's capital account debit. To profit and loss account. Here you should remember it is having debit balance, that means it is shown in the asset side, and that's why the entry will be reversed of general reserve. It is the accumulated loss. 20,000. 5 4 are 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8. Being profit and loss distributed. Okay, this is the end of 59. Sorry. Now we move to question number 60. X and Y were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Z was admitted for 1/3 share in the profits. On the date of Z's admission, the balance sheet of X and Y showed journalism of rupees 2,50,000 and a credit balance of 50,000 in the profit and loss account. Past necessary journal entry to on the treatment of this terms on Z's admission. Now here profit and loss is having credit balance, that means it is shown in the liability. Journalism is also in the liability, so we can distribute the both the things together, okay, with single entry. So let us start. Question number 60. Journalism is given 2,50,000. So journalism account debit Profit and loss account debit to X capital account to Y's capital account. So the amount is 2,50,000. 50,000. The total will be 3 lakh. It is distributed in 2:1, so it will be 2 lakh, 1 lakh. Being general reserve and profit and loss account distributed in old ratio. Is it clear? Both the things are in the liability side. That means we are going to debit them to cancel it. Okay. So the entity will be general reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit to old partners capital account in the old ratio. This is the end of question number 16. Now we move to question number 61 parts. There are 7 parts in the question. Separate entries we have to pass for each and every part. In the question number 61A, X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admitted W as a partner for 1/6 share. Following is the extract of the balance sheet on the date of admission. General reserve is given, contingency reserve is given, profit and loss is given. On the asset side, advertisement suspense is given, past necessary generalities. All 3 reserves we are going to distribute between the partners in the old ratio, and as well as advertisement suspense also we are going to distribute. So let us pass the entry. 2 entries. First, general reserve account debit. Contingency reserve account debit. Profit and loss account debit to X capital account to Y's capital account to Z's capital account. Okay, the amount given is 36,000, then 6,000, 18,000. So 42, 50, 60, 60 will be distributed in 5:3:2. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. Being reserves distributed in old ratio. Okay. Now we are going to distribute advertisement suspense because it is accumulated loss. Okay. So the partners account will be debited. So X capital account debit. Y's capital account debit. Z's capital account debit. To advertisement suspense account. Okay, the amount given is 24,000, so it will be 12,000, 7,000, 7,200, sorry, 7,200 and 4,800. Being advertisement suspense distributed. Okay, this is a kind of part A. Now we move to part B. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the 4:3 ratio. On 1st April 2019, they admitted C as a new partner. On the date of C's admission, the balance sheet of A and B showed a general reserve of 84,000 and a debit balance of 8,400 in profit and loss account. Past necessary journal entries for the treatment of these items on C's admission. Profit and loss is having debit balance. Okay, please keep in mind. So let us start first. General reserve account debit. Two, A's capital account. As you know, we distribute in old partners only. To B's capital account, the reserve amount is given 84,000. Ratio is 4:3, 7, 12 7 is 84. So 12 4s are 48, 12 3s are 36. Being general reserve distributed. Second, A's capital account debit because profit and loss is having debit balance. B's capital account debit. To profit and loss account. The amount is 8,400, so it is going to be 4,800 and 3,600. Same distribution, just 1 0 we have to cancel. B, profit and loss account distributed. Okay, now we move to case C. Give the journal entries to distribute workman compensation reserve of 72,000 at the time of admission of Z when there is no claim against this. The firm has two partners except Y. When there is no claim, full reserve will be distributed between the old partners in old ratio. The ratio is not given in the absence of partnership deed. Both the partners will share equally. Okay. So, say in that first entry, workman compensation reserve is given 72,000 and there was no claim. So entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to X capital account to Y's capital account. In the absence of partnership deed, the ratio has been given equal. Okay, so there are two partners. Entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation reserve account debit to reserve account, to X capital account, to Y's capital account. The amount is 72,000 and the claim was 48,000, so it remains 24, so it will be 12,000 each. Being WCR adjusted. We have adjusted WCR. Then next question, question E. Give the journal entry to distribute investment fluctuation reserve of 24,000 at the time of admission of Z when investment market value 1,10,000 appeared at rupees 1,20,000. The firm has two partners X and Y. The book value is 1,20,000 and the market value is 1,10,000. There is a loss of 10,000. Okay, so let us start. Investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account to X capital account to Y's capital account. The amount is 24,000. The loss is 10,000. So it will be distributed equally. Remaining amount 7,000. 7,000. Okay. Being IFR adjusted. Okay. Now we move to next. Case F. Give the generality to distribute journalism of 4,800 at the time of admission of Z when 20% of journalism is to be transferred to investment fluctuation reserve. The firm has two partners X and Y. So let us start. Journalism account debit. To investment fluctuation reserve account to X capital account to Y's capital account. Okay, general reserve given is 4,800. 20% of that will be 9,600. 960. Sorry, 20% will be 960. So remaining amount is 3,840. Okay. This amount we are going to distribute between the partners in the equal ratio. So 1920 being journalism distributed after adjustment. In old ratio. Okay. After that, case G, ABC were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 6:3:1. They decided to take D into partnership with effect from 1st April 2019. The new profit sharing ratio between A, B, C, and D will be 3:2, 3:3:1. They also decided to record the effect of the following without affecting their book values, passing a single journal entry. So let us start. General reserve given to us is 1,50,000. Book values we are not going to change, that means we are not going to distribute them. We are going to add contingency reserve, that is 60,000. We are going to add credit balance of profit and loss account, credit balance, that is 90,000. The total will be 3 lakh. We are going to deduct advertisement suspense, that is 1,20,000. So the total adjustable amount will be 1,80,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. A, B, C. Old ratio was 6 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 10, and the new ratio was 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 3 by 10. Then it will be 3 by 10 sacrifice. This will be 0. This will be minus 2 by 10. This is gain. And D is also gaining by 1 by 10. So C and D are going to give to A. We are going to find out the amount by putting here 1,80,000. 18 to the 54,000 he will get 1,80,000. 18 to the 36 he is going to give 18,000 he is going to gain. Okay, so our entry will be, we are going to pass the entry. This is G actually. B. Or do you know? Lesser for you. Debit rupees, credit rupees, general entry. Only one entry we are going to pass. Now C and D. C is current account debit. D is current account debit because it is said pass through current account. So we are going to pass with current account. So A is current account. Okay. The amount is 36,000, 18,000, 54,000. B. Reserves and accumulated losses adjusted. This is the end of the question and my video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.